finally we are inside this underpass. Okay. Wow. He only allowed me for a few seconds, but as you can see, looking beautiful, very nice. So I have shown you the inside of this underpass. Wow. So we came from that side, and the project you have seen for yourself how it looks inside, very beautiful. Wow. Nashukuru sana jamaa for giving me that opportunity to get inside. Okay, so this is now the expressway. See how people are crossing the road. Very risky. But when the underpass is complete, people will not be crossing the road like that. So, wow. At least I'll be able to get inside and show you how it looks from inside. Another side also of this underpass, you can see they are working on it. Wow. Even the roundabout, you can see there are some work that is happening on the roundabout. So wow, this is the project upgrading of this Haile Selassie roundabout. You can see they are working on it. Yeah, and the underpass I have shown you, it's almost complete. You can see from here how it looks like. Another lift over here. Another side of the underpass. You can see it's almost done. So very soon they're gonna be launched. Wow, look, beautiful work. The Haile Selassie Underpass taking shape. Yeah, you can see from inside. And then they are putting some nice cabros over here. So let me take you on a tour of this project and show you how it looks like. Yeah. You can see there is this lift over here. Yeah. And then they have put this, how do we call this? I don't know, glass. So this is the underpass that is being constructed to help people cross the road. And as you can see from inside, it looks almost complete. I don't know why, maybe they are not launching it. It seems to be complete. You can see this canopy over here. People will be chilling here, or maybe when they come out of the tunnel they can be able to at least chill, stay around here. Okay, so this is how it looks like. You can see they have even put this barrier to prevent people from falling on that river. So this is Haile Selassie roundabout. This is the inside. lift over here. Aje mzito? Aje. Naweza kubaliwa kuingia? Siwezi. Hata kutembea kidogo tu nione venye iko.
Sasa unataka kimangote.
Nifa. Sasa waje.
Atapunguza views yangu.
So welcome to the channel. This is JM Kaundo. Yeah, I'm bringing you an update of what is happening on the Guru Highway. Yeah, we are under the expressway, and as you can see here, they are working on the walkways. Yeah, you can see some work is happening over here, but I think maybe being on a Sunday, that's why they have not workers doing this work. Okay, so just a quick review of how far this project has gone. So welcome to the channel. Please subscribe, like, and leave a sweet comment. You can see they have reached over here. So see how Kenyans cross the road, and I'm also crossing like them. So you can see how beautiful when these cabros are put, how the road is looking nice. Some content creators putting some content